Ano naman yung pigi-isip mo? Wala man. Imagination man sana. Wabaganin do ha, ang mga mutya ng ibalong, pwede ka mo mag-send tabi questions, hapot untasin na. Siguro mahapot kita tungkol sa kung adi, it's about ibalong, di ba? O kung ano man na mga ihapot. May kinaraman niya halimbawa ngaya sa kultura kan Bicolano. Yeah, halimbawa ngaya ibalong festival trend, di ba? Halimbawa ngaya tourism and local economy. Yeah, di ba? It's all about ibalong festival, di ba? Iyan tabi mga tugang anota. Pwede nindang simbago na Bicol, Tagalog, or English, mga tugang, ang sa tuyang hapot. Yan, ha? Para sa mga kandidata tapos sa mutya ng ibalong ta. Madigdida, alat-alaton ta, mga tugang kun, ano yan, kun kumusta sinda, taaram nindo. Kay puhan mananggad na sinda maprakti, manini. Mga magayunon da, tamalangani, kanso, ano yan, malangani, mga tugang kanso, otong nagkaigabaga ki opening parade. Tuminindog tulo si Congressman Garbin, duman sa inutan, ta nagpapirikturan, buda sa Mayor Hisham, buda sa mga konsyal sa Legazpi. Kanakamali siya si Kung Pido, na, garong ewara di si Enro Emma, dumino. Awin na, karaman sa Toto, yaw na si Kung Pido sa likodan, sa kataning ko na, duman sa Pigo Coveran Mikan Ibalong Festival Opening Parade. Anong ina ko, Kung? Basta, wala isang ako sa likod. May tinig na. Ano ba? Diba? O, basta, halat-alatong ta mga tugang kung umarabot na ba ng galig sa DCGB. Antabay lang ka mo dyan. Hello, good morning.
Hello, baby, good morning.
Good morning.
Oo, may request lang ako.
Ano pa rin?
Pwedeng si Joshua ang mag-interview, tabi.
Ano?
Baka pwedeng si Joshua ang mag-interview.
Nata.
Ang aning sa agang alas 7, ikaw na kitang marita.
Nata na naman.
Basta, apakan mo si Joshua, ba't gusto niya?
Latot sa tagang salpatanak. Gini, iba naman ang gusto. Iba nang gusto sabihin mo naman, ha? Awin na. Alright, thank you. Alright, sige now. Habang day pa mga tugang sa mga mutya na pigalat-halat ang unyan, ramon tanawan mga dagdag na report. Hali po dyan sa luwas kaibaan, Mega Force Patrol. Nasa linya, Chief Reporter Jimmy Nazalita. Jim, good morning, Jim. Come in. Jim, come in.
Yes, Pipi. Dahil naman, naluyo na dahil naman pigabasa mo ang kuwan ko, headline.
Ano? Alat ngo na, ha? Hain sa headline mo. Ay, managabot.
Sa mga newscast na naman baga headline.
Alat. Ayaw niyo niyo. Sandali lang, ha? Kapitan Alex Villar, nagpasalamat sa DCGB na nag-action ang Department of Agriculture. Ay, wow. Dapat talaga. Basahon ko ini. Kami, Jim. Pasok.
Tumar parte na ang taga Department of Agriculture Regional Office sa problemang ipigdulok ni Kapitan Alex Villar. Kinaraman sa dahil tapos na proyektong Solar Submersible Irrigation System, Barangay Salvacion sa Pulangi, kung saan ang kandagan proyekto 7 milyones pesos. Alagad ang presenting na si Serbihan man sana kan patubig apat sanang parauma samantalang kutana gatos hektaryas na umahan gulping parauma an nagahalat na masuplayan in tubig tanganing makapagtanuman sila kan sa indang mga parayan. Ang problema taday man surugpon day maukurulang man sutubo na supposed to be makantos man sa reservo at nga kantos man sa indang mga kabasan. Inot ng naibarita ini kan DCGB News kan mga natagi pangaldaw kung sa inyo ang paglaom kan mga parauma na sa pagi kan DCGB maipaabot ang sa indang concern sa Department of Agriculture dahilan sa unfair man sa ibang parauma ang proyektong kadakula kan kantidad ang nasiserbihan limitadong parauma man sana. Kasod nabigla asin nagpipinsar si Kapitan Villar asin maparauma na dayman aksyon. Tamala magibo na nga ni kiresolusyon ko ta na dangan mapasiring sa regional office ang mga parauma asin si Kapitan. Alagad kasod biglang may nagabot na lunadan sa Barangay Salvacion asin na nagpaaram sa barangay na makondusir sinda nin inspection and nag-explican sa mga paraoma kan problema pero
Aha.
aram na kan mga taga-DA so problema na pinagrereklamo
Yeah.
and ang ginibo pinasyaran so tubo kung saan iyo an inantosan sana kan tubig na hali sa source kay ni sa Agus River na iyo ang pinasakatan na tubig sa mga makamasan and sinukol na tabi BP kung
Aha.
pinang tubuan kinakaipuhan
Ayon, oho.
alat halato na sa nadaa sa
Aha.
pagsabing oral maagi pa man ini sa proseso as in procurement.
Mhm. So,
Siguro kay
na-confirm
Kapitan-
tabi, Jimmy, na, nag-commit sindan na ito mananggad na request kan barangay na mga tubo. Ito ang garing gigibuhon nila, tama?
Ay, tama,
Aho.
sinukol na sa tubo, kay Puan na tubo, tansabi
Very
ko ni
good.
Kapitan, mga 35 pinaso ang tubo.
Takita baga,
Ang
may
ganyan.
kita ki-question sa project, di ba? Tamaray sa pagagibo, tama ba kayo? Maray sa pagagibo.
Ang problema.
Dahil kitang problema duman. Ang pig-request kan mga paraoma, so tubig, nakakaabot sa nagkapirasan ng paraoma.
Yan.
Kaya kay po na masugpo ng kitubong halaba na makaabot naman sa kadakulan kan mga tao akan mga paraoma sa barangay Salvacion buda kataning na barangay.
Correct.
Yeah. Parang tinimbang ka, ngunit kulang kasi kulang ng tubo.
Kulang tubo.
Yes, yes. Ho?
Sinukol na and
Salamaton.
pasalamat si Kapitan ta kuta na magagastusan pa sinda makonsumo ki oras
Iyo baga,
mapasiring
Rudo.
sa DA regional office
Mm.
para ipaabot ang siring na problema madara sinda ki resolusyon
Yan.
pero sa siring na aksyon pinapasalamatan ninda anis persos kan DCGB dahil ta nakaantos asin nag-aksyon ang Department of Agriculture. Mahalat-halat
Kasi
na sa
masanakan
nasinda.
trabaho ta iyan. Pero ang dapat pasalamatan talaga duman si Ma'am Love Guarin, buda itong sunagduman mismo. Pakiulot tabi Jimmy kang pangaran ka nagduman.
Man sa kuya na ito na
Yes,
ni Kapitan, pinadala na sa ko sa mga litrato.
Oho.
Ay pagpasiring duman sa sign na patunay na nagpasiring na sa barangay
Very
sa
good.
mga taga-Department of Agriculture.
Oho. Well appreciated da yan ha. Salamat tabi dyan sa... Siyempre, dito Jimmy makaduman, kung day dumang ki pagtugot si Director Roder Tonilla, tamay
Correct.
travel order yan, di ba? Day po
Oo.
makalakaw kumara sila. Kaya salamaton tabi mga personalized kan DA na nagpa-share sa Barangay Salvacion. Kaso hapon Jimmy, ano? Tama, sabi mo?
Langan isabay ta naman na pasalamatan sa nag-coordinar sa
Oho.
nag-coordinar sa munisipyo sa municipal agriculture inibahan man ka municipal agriculture personnel.
Ayun. Duman pala nagkorto si Inot, ano?
Parte gayud kang protocol.
Parte gayod.
Kaya
Ah.
dahil ang problema sa kapitaning kaso madelay may maranihan silang pwedeng follow up nag-agree sa municipal agriculture. Amo na. Yan sa BBP. Thank you so much to
may mga
Department of
pansukol
Agriculture.
pati Jiming Darapalan na. May mga metrong haralabao na
Iba
di.
sinurukol na.
Oh, buda, may hiniling sa tubo na mali na nagbubululuwas ang tubig. Ito dapat isugpon doon sa color blue, di ba?
Tiyo, bastante yun ang tubig nagluluwas sa tubo. Question, dahil nakakantos duman sa puro. Dahil nga ni kitubo, kuro lang sa tubo.
Yes, yes. Very good. Nagkapira pala ni Jimmy, ano? Nagkapira pala ang mga taga-DA.
Oo.
Okay, good. At least nailing nito sitwasyon kan ano yan, umahan, buda, so dapat talagang trabahon.
So, yan anis persos bunga na kan pagpasiring niya to duman sa Barangay Salvacion.
Opo.
Sa haloy na panahon, naharos nawara na nin pag-asa sa mga parauma. And dahil na sinda naglalaom na ma-actionan, pero yan, sa pagi na kandi si JB, proud kita na at least na dangan, pasalamatan ta sa Department of Agriculture sa aksyon ninda na iyaw na ang paglaom pigahalat na kan mga farmers. And nauugmaman ka, natural ka ni, sa kapitan, sa mga parauma sa pagsabing nahiling na uminabot na sa barangay ninda sa mga taga-DA.
Very good. Okay, sige.
Iyan sa BBP at sa tuya mga dagdag na informasyon sa pangaran kan PYC Enterprises, Mr. and Mrs. Maris Raul Calio, Orosite, Legazpi City, Jimmy Nasalita, DCGB News.
Salamat, Jimmy, sa report. Hali po dyan sa Tercero Distrito, Canalbayo. Salamat po sa mga taga-Department of Agriculture na nagbisita dyan, lalo na po kay Ma'am Love Gorin. Mientras tanto, pasalamatan ko mampalan si Konsihal, City Councilor. Siya ang tunay na mutya ng Ibalong, City Councilor Sunshine Imperial. Yan. Si Councilor Sunshine, magpunin ni Kandaraga pa, na-witness ko ini, hali ka, magpuon kan maging mayor si Mayor Benny Imperial. Mga sultiro man ako ka ito, daraga man siya. Kaya ang gayon ni Councilor Sunshine, hanggang ngunyan, dahil man tabi nagpapara. Hanggang ngunyan, dahil man nagpapara ang gayon ni Councilor Sunshine. Adi, tabi. Kaya, Councilor Sunshine, salamat na. Siya so pinaaraman ko na sumutya ng Ibalong, may interview ta. Councilor Shine, good morning, Councilor Shine. Masabi ni Councilor Shine, good morning po. Karen Ala, may dagdag na report. Karen, good morning, Karen.
Yes, VP Henry, 20 mga magagayon, postura na mga daraga, at maggalaban-laban naman sarong titulo asing corona bilang mutya ng Ibalong na taon 2026. Ayan, VP, kinumpirmar mismo ni Councilor Sunshine Imperial Legazpi bilang chairperson sa mutya ng Ibalong, kaya nang nagpapadagos sa Ibalong Festival kung saan ang mga kandidata ikan sa manlain na probinsya kan Bicol Region na tuminuyo makipag-compete sa Legazpi pangan isa na iklamar ang titulo sa taon na ini. At tumikar na mga kandidata sa mutya ng Ibalong na taon, 7 mga daraga hali sa probinsya kan Camarines Sur, duwas sa Masbate, sa probinsya kan Masbate, duwas sa Camarines Norte, sa Legazpi City, saro sa Ligao, saro sa Naga City, atin saro man sa Ginobatan.
Ayun.
Matatandaan, inana ni Lionel Navidad, ikan sa Legazpi, an mutya ng Ibalong sarong taon, kung kaya sa abang-abang naman kung sistay ngunya na taon, an maklamar kan titulo bilang mutya ng Ibalong 2026, sa maabot na Biyernes na Banggi, alas 7 yan di Henry, dyan sa may Ibalong Centrum for Recreation o ICR. Sa nasabing pageant di Henry, ikaklamar kan mga ini ang titulo na mutya ng Ibalong 2026. First runner-up, second runner-up, asim third runner-up. Mantang aabangan niya to, ang iba pang makukuha na mga minor title na iyo ang best in evening gown, best in evening gown designer, best in festival attire, best in festival attire designer, best in swimsuit, Miss Photogenic, Darling of the Press, as in best in production number.
Ayun.
Yan, Henry. Sabang-sabang iyan, abang ang taman, mga pirong na andyan kay mga musa, pagkaman kita, sabayan mga ini.
Biko, haing kangun yan.
On the way na Henry, aras sa istasyon.
Dara mo sa camera mo.
Of course.
May piganda na digdi so pag-iribata na kapi mo da Ano nga ako tasisibot ka? Kuha niya ako sir kape. Parang niya ako kasi ang kape mo. Parang nga sa imo sir.
Ay, naman si
Kumali ka sa DCGB mananggan
20
20.
20.
20 Ping nervyos ako. Pata. Ako talaga, sa totoo lang. Pag naman ako to magpapakiulong sa daraga. O taday man ako talaga nagpaparapakihuron sa magpun ka na ako uminagom pambira ko magparapakihuron sa daragang halawig. Ha?
Talaga?
unless na kamo mga staff digdi pigikaurong ko kamo, di ba?
Ayo.
Kaya, pero sa mga ibang kwan talaga na rin mangkikuan ano, mas hindi ako nagpapakiurong kaya lawig sa daraga. Ano basta pigbabawal ko nan sa buhay ko, malilingawon ako eh.
Tama.
Pag mas ka nagluwas ang imot ko pag ako may kauron na daraga. Balo nang gusto kong kauron.
Ay, nabibitan rin.
Ano madigida si Councilor Sunshine?
Hindi ko lang sir pabitan rin. Pero,
Apudan ko daw ha.
Sige na.
Apudan ko daw ha.
Yes, ito yun.
Opo, thank you so much. Mga tugang Karen Ala sa dagdag na report hali po dyan sa luwas. Alat-alaton ta. Confirm mananggad. Alat nga na. Anong oras tabi ma dyan ang mutya ng Ibalong? 8 a.m. tabi, 8 a.m. tabi. Yan. Ano nga na ha. Yung schedule, sabi kay Karen, alat, sa natin. Sana kita masyadong maka-excite. Baka pwede gusto ninyo magpadala ng mga simple questions lang para po sa mutya ng Ibalong. You can do it po through my number 0969-088-5548 0966-203-0034. Di ko na pati hinuba so sa kuyang blazer kan kuan pag news mi kasaba ko ni Jasmine. Ako nga ni ko ta gusto kong pa-intround si Jasmine. Kung ko ta ang share, ako ko ta ang manager niya, ang sharing me 40-60. Jerome, ano? Papa-intro ko ta si Jasmine. Kung di abo man, sa 40-60 ko ta, makadalin siya lamang ko ta ako. 40 sa iya, 60 sa ako. Kasi Jasmine, baga, oro lang ka man, di ba? Oro lang ka man. Ang ganahan niya man sa white. Ay, sala nga niya. Sana din mag-review si Jasmine kay height pala ng ganahan. Di ba? Pero sa tindog na masin na kaya man ni Jasmine yan sa gayon-gayon, di ba? Kaya man ni Jasmine. Yo, dai panoy, dai pa na CCTV, awara pa. Ano masira mo kuno makalampas kita sa programa naman ni Pio, Makalampas naman kita sa programa ni Pio. Sana umabot ki Atab. Hello. Hello.
Pasalamatan mo si Kate.
Si Sai. Okay. Alright. Habang pigahalat ng mga tugang sumutya ng Ibalong, digdi. Good morning pala kay Teacher Ophel. Nagpadara ka so hapon kay masira mo nono na cake. Igway sa kikwan, binukasan na negosyo dyan sa may BC. No? Igway siyang binukasan na negosyo dyan sa may BC. Mga tugang si Kwan, si Teacher Ophel. Ang pangaran ka negosyo niya, mga tugang, Purple Bake Shop, Cake Shop, Purple Cake Shop, yung pangaran ka negosyo niya eh. Yan po sa may Bicol College, tabi. Kaya ano yan? Salamaton tabi Teacher Ophel up. Tato ta istorya ko sa endo. Hello. Morning pare.
Anong oras man yan so mga mutya?
At ang alas 8 nga ng schedule, pigalat-alat ko.
Pero, sir, ba naman kung kito kawan dyan ta?
Tukawan. Salbatanak. Ano yun? Sinihan. Latoson. Ano sinihan? Balbalan tayo. Pare, mapadagit ka kay madam.
Kung nga na si Janulok.
Kung gusto, at saban mo si Madam Eve, kung bago magpasiring sa DCOMC, umapit siya duman sa kwan, sa Purple Cake Shop.
Sa inyan,
Yung may kataning kang Bicol College High School,
rayon.
maagi man sana dyan sa may BC.
Magi.
Saan na ka mo naguli ko niyan?
At sa cover na kami.
Atabunta. O di, pag tiko dyan sa may Shell, dahil ka mag-agi duman sa may kwan, duman sa may shortcut, bakalan mo si Madam Gisarong cake lamang na purple? Masira mo?
Iyo.
Makabawi-bawi ka lamang.
Barato.
Barato man sana. Affordable. Buda.
Durano ang
Makabawi-bawi ka lamang kay Madam. Purple talagang color, Bigo.
Tama na makabawi na ano.
Sabi ko, pag mga may edad na, kay puhanaan, pagiging sweet, pagiging mapadaba. Dapat sweet na pinmi ang dating.
Pag nagtataram kaya na makabawi, gusto mong sabihin, may mga ginibong ano yan.
Baka pa rin pagpatarama pa diha. Tabi, taon din kitang duwa. Latasun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay na, oh. Yaw na yan na purple cake, cake shop. Tabi sa may sa may BC High School. Umapit ka mo diyan ta. The best yan na cake shop ni Teacher Ophel. Pinadara sa kuya so pinadara sa kuya so picture. The best. Kasubanggi tinanaan ko. Pagkakaon ko salbata na masiramon sa turog ko. Alright. Maski nasa biyay pa office pa din si GB pa din. Alright. Thank you, Tabi. Dr. Olbendian, maray na aga, Tabi. Sabi ni Ate Kayen, maray na aga, sir, kaya pala mas pugi ka na. Nailing mo na, Ate Kayen. At so blazer ko nga ni, de ko naman hinali kan pagkanyo bagong alas 7. Una kayang long sleeves ko, grabe ano yan, nag-white balance ang camera, kaya kay puha na may may ibang kolor. Kapag all white, mina-white balance ang camera, paminsan nag-iiba, kaya tabi. De ko rinali tabi, Ate Kayen. Masyado ka naman na. Sabi ni Kuya Nes, good morning. Nailing ko man sa mga candidates na iyan kan Saturday sa Gun Expo. Haralang kawon ang takon. Yan. Ay pala, nagano katabi ko. Nagdaman si Kuya Nes sa Gun Expo pala. Haralang kawon da takon. Para nagsukol man sana, anhapot, no arin dilag, alright. Very good ang question ni Kuya Nes duman sa Pulanggi. Nagsukol man sana, ang hapot, no arin ibubugtak sa tubo. Very good question. Sabi baga ni Jimmy Kuyanes, as soon as possible. Ito ang medyo, iyon ang babantayan ta next week. Kunya una, so as soon as possible. Iyo, gigibon ang paagi-tabi na mapakarahay mga tugang sutubo. Yan. Very good question, Kuyanes. Ika na talaga ang tunay. Hello?
Hello,
Mano?
paggali po ng gana kangayaki mutya ng ibalo.
Oo.
Di, ay mo, ikaw lang gana niya na taon.
Oo.
Ano man ang magigilibo mo para sa Albay o sa Ligaspi ka? Ibalong Ligaspi mo na ba ko?
Ihaputa sa inda.
Iya po, sige lugo doon.
Ano man ang ma?
Para mo na.
Tapag guminana ka na, ano na?
Pag kuminala ka, araw kang...
Pero inutong ko si Councilor Sunshine Imperial kunya undig dito. Putong ko siya kung nun puturo ka ini. Patukaw na tabi no isuro. Inutong tangon na si Councilor Sunshine tanailing ko digdi. Yaw digdi. Palawagan na si Councilor Sunshine tabi kuan. Iyan nababayang nga. Yan si Councilor Sunshine. Oo. Yapot ko
Yapot mo ko ano lagi kang mutya. Ano na?
Iyo man ang ganda no. Oo. Patas-tasan no iyo may gawa ko ng balakaan. Tama ka?
Madali yun
Patas.
Magburbigin.
Opo. Yeah. Okay.
Pero so, mangyayari? Ano ang after na nanggana ka? What?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Migo.
Sige po.
Okay. Ayan. Inutong ko na muna so tunay na mutya ng Ibalong. Si Councilor Sunshine, inang tunay na mutya ng Ibalong eh. Di na katabi Councilor Sunshine sa pagkatapos si Councilor Sunshine, patukawan ta na sinta saro-saro si Councilor Sunshine talaga pungan taraga di man nagbagaw gayon kay ni. Garing nga may tuyong ngayon sa garing nga may tuyong. Asa isit nga ini Hi, good morning. Sige po. Have a seat please. Deka magparataning angel sa enda.
Sir, absent ako ng Friday.
Saan ka paabot ka? Dili ka na po kasi karon tangon na tabi Councilor Sunshine na ino. Yeah. Ay. Nagbaraba na nga boss? Yaw na. Sige. Pwede po suro sampulo muna. Ay, ano na? What do you think? Tabi. Sige na, palapasukin mo na. Dahil ang paglipudan sa camera, tabi. Sige daw. Sige na, palawagan na tabi ini. Yan. Ay, so.
I can squeeze in.
Yeah. Who's the first one to be interviewed? Ikaw na muna po. Doon ka na muna sa isang upuan. Ikaw ang una. Ano?
Saro?
Yeah. Saro. Ano? Anong hiling mo?
Baka po, dahil naman kasimbag sa final.
Ako pa.
Come on, girls.
Ah, come
It's
on,
okay.
yeah.
The rest can stay there first.
Aha, walang po tataka.
By number na lang ba tayo?
Who's the number one? Yeah, you can stay the first. You can occupy the first seat, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Grabe. Garo mahigpiton ang
Ganun magpito ng host.
ang hurado
Yeah.
digdi. Ha?
Ganun magpiton. Sige, alright. Mhm.
Grabe.
Mapagalong pala ang kampang mo mga magayon na day.
Nawawara so
Nawara so ihapot ko. Councilor Sunshine, good morning po. Welcome to DCGV.
Good morning, Sir Henry, and
Apo.
good morning sa gabos mong pag-iribadig di sa estasyon. Garo
Aha.
nailing ko, garo nakaruluwas gabos ang mga ngipon.
Oh. Si Angel, para pataning mo. Si Angel, gari.
Ay, iyo po
Paiksana
ang
sana.
pwede pong papakoronahan ko. Magkakal lang po kitang Hills. Siyempre po sa gabos na paraan tabay kayo sa imong programa. Good morning. May
Apo.
mga nagme-message sa kuya po
Ano da?
na pig-announce mo na palanda. Kaya sabi ninda,
Ano?
nakaalat na da po sinda. Dakoy po ang nag-aharap po.
Oh. Okay. So 20 candidates ba ni? All
Yes, yes,
present
yes, sir.
present po, Councilor
Yes,
Sunshine.
po. Yes po.
Sige, na. Give us muna a simple background of our Ibalong. Mutya ng Ibalong tabi, Miss Sunshine. Paano sila pinili tabi?
Paano pinili?
Mhm.
Well, we had our screening last July 11, and we had around 32 applicants.
32 applicants.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think only 31 was able to proceed because the other applicant ka-intra din siya sa Governor's Cup, and ang
I
nangyari,
see.
siya po sunanggana.
Oh.
No? She
Really?
was,
Ito si Miss Kwan, taga...
Yes.
Ba tagaligas pa yun?
Yes, malilipot.
Malilipot? Oh, hi na ito. Aday nang mo niyang ka-intradigdi?
Because during the screening po, nag-exit siya to go to the Governor's
I
Cup.
see.
Sabi niya, baka makabalik siya.
Mhm.
Pero talagang duman siguro din na raso bitis
Para duman siya eh.
Dahil siya po ang grand winner.
Iya.
duman.
Opo, ano?
Opo, opo.
So, dahil na, kinapo siya kang oras, ano?
Opo,
Para
kinapo
sa
siya kang
screening.
oras. Opo,
I
para sa
see. Okay.
So,
Oho.
we had 31 na nagpaso.
Opo.
And we had our selection committee.
Yeah.
We had 5 judges comprising of different sectors naman po sinda.
Opo.
So talagang na-screen. Saka mapagalon actually po. What's funny is sabi kang judges, medyo nahirapan din sila.
Maski ako, mahirapan ako digdi magpili. Mapagal magpili o digdi.
Opo,
Naging
nahirapan
part
po
ng screening committee kang Magayon Festival during the time of Governor Salceda. Mapagkaroon ng pagpili, Councilor.
Opo.
Matatalino, magaganda. Lalo na pag sa screening, baga nakatupis yan. Diba ako nalibong? Joke lang.
Opo.
Okay. Last, sabi kang texter ta kasi, hapoton ta kada, anon magiging role kang manggaganang mutya ng Ibalong for the city of Legazpi?
Well, just like I said, she will be our ambassador. She will be the face of Legazpi City. And I also discussed it with Mayor Hisham.
Opo.
Na pag-ulayan mi po na she will be part of our events.
Yeah.
Like sa different communities. And of course, it would also align duman sa advocacy niya. You know what's nice about these girls po? May kanya-kanya po silang advocacy.
I
And
see.
when in
Okay.
fact, when we visited the SPED Center and
Opo.
the Special Learning Center just the other day, I think that was Monday, nahiling ko po sa faces ninda.
Yeah.
And actually po, Sir Henry, sa totoo lang,
Mm.
nag-iribian.
Oh?
No?
Really? Really?
Opo.
Really?
Opo.
Talaga?
And
Talaga?
mailing mo po how genuine so heart ninda.
Totoo yan.
Because despite
Totoo
that
yan.
they were wearing 4 inches, 5 inches
Oo.
heels,
Oo.
sobrang init,
Oo.
pawis na pawis,
Oo.
but wala po. Wala pong ni anong complain or anything. If only we could extend, kaya lang po talagang nagparakusog na suoran. So, we had to leave also.
May din siniripon ini.
Iyon
Bawal
po.
si puno,
Actually,
tabata sa
naawa-
Friday na.
Nairak po ako sa inda
Yeah.
dahil talagang nailing mi. Nag-aarabutan na po ki tissue.
Oo.
Diba? So,
Pwede mag-volunteer ki para
Para punas.
Para punas
Ay,
kang tissue?
Dako, garo, mahalon po magpapunas sa imo kang tissue. Opo.
Libre ang talent pagpunas ki tissue.
Ay, naku.
So tissue, i-frame ito.
Nagita na ako ani Tita Brenda.
Oh, thank you po. Ay, wait lang. No rin po, di ba it will be on Friday?
Yes po. It will
August
be
21.
on Friday,
Tama, yeah.
August 21, which is a holiday.
Mhm. Wow.
So,
Oo nga pala. Tama.
Medyo mag-iyon po mag-iling dahil walang trabaho kinaagahan.
Oo.
And of course, our preliminary show will be today at the Oriental Hotel Legazpi.
Okay.
But this
Anong
one,
oras po, Councilor? Malgapot kanina eh.
this one po, Sir Henry, is ticketed.
Yeah.
Meaning to say, si Oriental, ginawa nilang package, may dinner buffet. Tapos
see.
kami po sumatao kang show. But the
Okay,
dinner
okay.
buffet po will be under Oriental, and a small percentage of that proceeds
Apa.
of the ticket sales will go to the SPED Center, SPED Learning Center.
Very good.
Actually,
Very
in
good.
advance ko po, dahil nainot po sa pagbisita mi sa SPED, bago mi nako aso proceeds.
Opo.
So, we covered for the expenses po na. And, of course, after that, sabi mi, magkayunon kasi so dalagan, Sir Henry.
Opo.
So, sabi mi, actually, dakol pa po kaming naipromesa duman, no?
Yeah.
We promised, mainiton po sa school. Diba? It was extremely hot.
Yeah.
No? Very small, and then kulang ng gamit. So, sabi namin, sige, sabi namin, di namin afford yung, aircon. Sabi namin, kaya lang po namin ay electric fans. So,
Yeah.
20 na electric fan.
20 electric fans,
Yes.
Very good.
And
Okay.
then sabi ko din po, kami po yung magbibigay ng television para po magamit nila sa library na.
Yeah. Yeah. Opo.
And we also brought some
Yeah,
little
yeah.
gifts sa kanila.
Opo. Ikaw po, Councilor Sansan, dahil ka nag-intra sa mutya kan mga panahon.
Alam mo po, Sir Henry, ipo ako po
Ayaw mo?
yung mag-interest sa mutya.
Magagalit si Mayor Benny ka ito eh.
Opo.
Oo.
Kang aki po ako, Sir Henry, ang telepono ba ka atong panon, may
Sa Matelco?
extension.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan, may extension.
May party line?
May extension.
Yeah, yeah.
Pag ako po magsimbag kan teleponos, maangat po saro kung
Yeah.
tugang mataram. Gagamiton ko telepono.
Si Michael o si RB?
Sa apat ko pong kapatid na
Si
lalaki
Doktor.
at ako po ang bunso.
Oo.
Naku,
Wala.
minsan
Wala.
na po. Ay,
Wala.
alam mo,
Walang
Sir,
nakalusot?
Wala. There was even a time, Sir Henry, na tumayo ako sa simbahan, may katabi ako.
Oo.
Sabi ni Michael,
Oo.
kaya mo na ngayon pakauno ng tugang ko. Sabi ko, grabe naman to.
Pagkatakutan manahapot yan.
Nakasabay ko lang naman doon sa simbahan.
Oo.
Diyan, Sir Henry, sa
Really?
St. Jude.
Really?
St. Jude Church. It's really funny. So,
Makatakutan manahapot yan. Sino kaya, dito ka sa mga mutya, sino kaya ang ganun ang kapatid, ano?
they're very young and new
Yeah.
faces.
Yeah.
I think only a few have been joining pageants. The rest are first-timers, no? Especially
For the first-timers, sino?
Our representative from Legazpi po.
Ah,
candidate
first
natin.
time
First time.
First time boyfriend din?
No.
No, joke lang. Alright, thank you, Councilor Sunshine.
Thank you, Sir
Candidate
Henry.
number... Forever? Okay, thank you po. We have candidate number 1. Hi, good morning, candidate number 1.
Hi, Jasmine Aldo. Po, Sir Henry.
Opo. Good morning. You're from
Buhi, Camarines
Buhi,
po.
Camarines Sur. From what school are you, Miss Candidate number 1?
Sorry po?
From what school are you?
Oh, I graduated na po, but I graduated sa Universidad de Santa Isabel de Naga.
Nagtatanong lang po kung nag-aaral ka ba. Nagtatanong. Gano'n kayo pa yung plano ka. Okay. Sino po? Sino si candidate number 1? Go ahead, please.
Ako po, si Nicole Joycian, Lasitivo Peña Serrada. Halik po sa banwaan ng Buhi, Camarines Sur, kung saan po mahahanap ang smallest commercial edible fish in the world, Sinarapan.
Oh.
Ako po, sarong Sales and Marketing Executive for a Singapore-based company, and is also an aspiring skillful pastry chef,
Yeah.
an eldest daughter, and an advocate for sustainable local tourism.
Sustainable?
Local tourism.
Local tourism. Ano nga yung... Ano yan? How do you call that? Na-mesmerize ako sa imo eh. Scientific
Ano man,
name
is
ng
sir?
Sinarapan? Anong scientific name ng sinarapan?
Mystichus luzonensis.
Ay, very good to talaga. Diba? Diba nasa kanya? Diba nasa sentabo yan? Nasa
Yes po.
Pandaka pygmy ang tawag nila noon.
Yung tabios din po.
Oh, tabios. Paano pag nakop ka yan? Pigbabanwit yan, ano?
Yes po.
Pigbabanwit.
We use, kaya po siya tinatawag din.
Joke lang.
Oh my gosh!
Bata.
Garo naman,
Ah,
sir.
yeah, sige.
But we use, ang output po naman is, sarap.
Sarap,
po.
correct. Sarap. Kaya sinarapan eh.
Apo.
Yeah.
Ano po siya, net po siya made of small with small holes para po
okay.
makolek sinda.
Okay. Speaking of sustainable tourism, di ba? Yan
Yes
sinabi mo.
po.
How will you help to sustain tourism industry in Legazpi kung ika ang manggana na mo siya ng Ibalong?
Para sa kuya po, ang
Tsamba lang
biggest...
ito muna. Tsamba ito. Hiling ako ni Miss Sunshine. Go ahead. Go ahead, please. Na-cute ang kaya ako sa Bicol mo, ah. Go ahead, please.
Para sa kuya po, ang biggest na contribution na pwede kong maitao is to use the platform that I have. And
Okay.
that is speaking po and speaking out, and also one way is to promote the local tourism that we have. Support
Opo.
local artisans, ang culture ta po and paano ta ma-enhance, and also collaborate with the local government
Yeah.
so that ma-strengthen po. Because me, I'm just a normal person with ideas and visions in mind. But it would be more powerful if I will be supported by the local government and with programs po where we can create more expos,
Yeah.
exhibits, mga araw
Yeah.
po kayan. Kung sa iyan, tatawan ta po ning space ang mga local artisans ta, ang gabos na sector po
Yeah.
na kairiba sa culture and tourism para may showcase ang crafts ninda.
Yeah.
Mahiling po kang mga taga Legazpi, not Legazpeños alone, but also the people from Bicolandia. Pag nagbe-visit po sila kasi gustohon po na maray ang Legazpi. So, ako, kunyari, hali po sa buhi, makaigde, and then, if maabutan ko na ugwapong exhibits,
Yeah.
then I could see what Legazpi offer. And when I go back to my hometown, there is something that I could share to Buhitnons and
Yeah.
also to my friends and families wherever I go po.
Yeah. Uy, napugi na yan. Yan, technician, may taga-buhi yan. Yan o.
Ayun po,
Si
same
Pramer,
po.
Stoyar. Tanay ang apelyido niya. Yan.
Same po siya sa ano.
Buhi. Sa'yo ka sa buhi. Bunga? Ha? Aw, nabuwa pala, sorry. Mali ang information.
Nadagit.
Na fake news ako, ha? Taga nabuwa pala to. Okay. Thank you, candidate number 1. Sige, invitation sa publiko.
Hello po everyone. Iniimbitahan mi po kamo na mag-attender sa aming preliminaries today po. Ay, tonight na po yan. It's at the Oriental Legazpi. Tickets are still available. If you guys are interested, just go to the pages of the Oriental Legazpi, or you can reach out to us or me, and you can reach me at Nicole Joyshan. And I hope that we could see you there and you would support us, and may we have an amazing presentation and show later po. And we are very excited to let you see it.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Thank you. Alright, we have candidate number 2. Tingnan natin tong isa, ha?
Garo.
Morena beauty tong isa. Pareho morena, di ba? Councilor
Sir,
Sunshine.
hindi pwede po mag-apot.
Sige po.
Nata po, Garo, ang look mo po ngunyan na pagkaaga, Garo, pang coronation.
Nagtiks. Maliputon, sir, kon. Nag-news, dahil may nabot si Miss Jasmine, nag-news kami kaninang alas 7. Dahil ko na tinanggal, tamasupog di sa.
Una ako po kaya.
Ako na ko, ma-host ako naman sa Miss Ibalong.
Ako nga ni sir nakikilaw, sabi ko,
Talaga?
Garo, pang coronation.
Nagtiks na nga ni si Mrs. Hi nga kay Councilor Sunshine. Hi, candidate number 2.
Hello po, Sir Henry.
Good morning.
Po.
You're from
I am from Masbate.
Masbate, maayong buntag.
Maayong aga.
Maayong aga.
Apa.
Maayong aga. Pagkagwapa ni ring babae, taga Masbate, no? Lahat sila magaganda. Sige daw, say something about yourself, Miss Masbate.
Hello, hi, mabuhay. I am Yvonne Donao Rosas, all the way from the land of rodeos and cowboys, from the Fearless Heart, the province of Masbate. I am a public servant and a youth advocate for volunteerism and leadership.
Yeah, you're a public servant?
Yes po. I am
Are you
Sangguniang
unelected?
Kabataan member po.
Ay, si Sangguniang Kabataan. Are you an SK chairman or
NSK member po.
SK member?
Yes.
Ayun, Sangguniang Kabataan. Walang Kaguraga. Anong advocacy mo sa buhay? Candidate
I am
number
a
2.
youth advocate for volunteerism and leadership po.
I see.
I have my own non-government organization
Oho.
which is Kasama Kami po.
Kasama Kami.
Yes. An acronym for Kabalikatan at Samahan ng Malalayang Kabataan ng Milagros, which is located in my hometown in
Opo.
Masbate po.
Okay. Ilang beses ka na nag-join sa mga
Pageants.
Pageants.
Po. Ay, hindi na mabilang. Hindi ko na po
Di
sure.
mo na mabilang,
pero
ah.
I, 4 or 5, ganyan.
Ah?
6 po. Pero
6?
this is my second time around joining Mutya ng Ibalong
I
po.
see. So how was the first 4? First 5?
It was fun naman po and I got my own crown in my hometown and ngayon po, nagbabakasakaling makasungkit din ng crown here in Albay.
Ay, wow. Okay. Sa tingin mo, Miss Candidate number 2, ano sa hiling mo? Pwedeng, ano nga na English kang, ano sa hiling mo, Miss Zanay? Kasi napansan. ano.
Garang-garang nawawara.
What does being a modern Bicolano mean to you? Tama sa English katabi. But you can answer it in Bicol, Tagalog, or English. Candidate number 2.
What does a modern
Bicolana. Bicolana.
Okay,
Okay.
po. I believe naman po, alaman po natin na very resilient ang mga Bicolana and we are called Oragon.
Yeah.
And we have the grit and wit to survive every challenges that we have and we are very purposeful one. Parang each and every one of us naman po dito po sa aking mga kasamang mga kandidato, we have our purpose and our purpose is to share and to help and to advocate for our own causes.
Yeah.
Yan
Okay.
lang po.
Thank you so much, Candidate number 2.
Thank you so
Hali
much.
po itong kasanata. Ganda kong pagong hapot, Councilor Sanjay. Joke lang. Thank you, Candidate number 2.
Thank you
Good
so
luck.
much
Good luck,
po.
ha?
Thank
Good
you
luck
po.
to you. Alright. We have Candidate number 3. Yeah, hi. Good morning, Candidate number 3. Welcome to DCGB.
Thank you po. Thank you.
What is your name?
Sir Ernie. My name is Angela Joyce Esteves Tabago po.
Esteves
Tabago.
Tabago.
Yes.
Tabago.
Yes.
You're from Albay? Are you from Albay?
No po. I am from Jose Panganiban.
Jose
Camarines
Panganiban,
Norte.
Camarines Sur. Okay.
Norte po.
Camarines Norte. Okay.
Yes.
Say something about yourself, Miss Camarines Norte.
Hello, I am well known as a Camarines Norte Tourism Ambassador.
Uh-huh.
We were able to represent the province of Camarines Norte in national news television. We talked about the different islands from our province, how beautiful and remarkable it is, because we all know Camarines Norte is such a small town. But I believe that that small town can connect with other municipalities and provinces such as Legazpi, because here in the Bicol region, we're one region, and if we study our culture, we're more interconnected than we think, and that's really what I'm championing. That's why I'm an advocate po for preservation of local cultural heritage, because it's very important to not draw away from our roots, because it's the very remembrance to remain humble,
Wow.
to progress while carrying the story of our
Pwede akong tissue ka rin,
ancestral
nagdugo sa dungo ko.
Sorry po.
Joke lang. Please go ahead, please. Go
Sorry
ahead.
po.
I like you.
Thank
And
you.
I mean, I like the way you speak.
Grabe,
Baka mali yung sinabi ko, I like you, Baka may mag-sales bigla.
Kinabahan niyo.
Sige, go ahead.
Okay
please.
po.
Then.
And more importantly po, I'm also as a psychology student po. I'm also advocating for responsible parenthood programs.
Responsible parenthood.
Yes.
Okay.
Because naniniwala po ako sa katagang youth is the hope of our motherland.
Opo.
Pero paano man daan magiging hope ang akin?
Opo.
Kung mayo man nag-guide sa kanila kung paano
I
maging
see. Okay.
So, naniniwala po ako na nasa atin yung light na ipapasa sa kanila para
Opo.
sindaman for future generations to
Yeah,
come.
okay.
Maging light man din po.
Yes.
sa
What do you think is the true essence of a responsible parent?
Q and A man pala.
Practice lang yung practice.
Hindi ko kayo
Practice.
Hindi rin po ako na-info.
Practice lang Practice yun. Practice.
Nagulat ako dun.
Practice. Sabi mo, di ba, responsible parenthood
Yes.
ang Ano sa tingin mo ang dapat na tunay na anong Tagalog kang essence, Counselor Sunshine? Esensya? Galing dito, candidate number.
Okay
Mas
na
bata.
po tayo sa essence.
Yeah, okay. Sige po. Go ahead po, please.
Okay, sige po. Ako po naniniwala ako na ang true essence of being a responsible parent is knowing how to guide your kid properly but at the same time letting your kid dream big. Because if you will limit your kid in the traditional mindset that you will have, how will your kid discover the path that's meant for them? They are here to listen to your guidance,
Yeah.
but they must create the own footsteps that they want to follow. I believe that a parent that is responsible is both nurturing and kind to the dreams of their children.
Yeah. Okay na Rabi. Okay na. May nag-text kasi may boyfriend ka na daw.
Ay!
Tatlo lang tinanong ko, ikaw ang tinanong ko may boyfriend ka na daw.
Mata po sa corona.
I
Yes
see.
po.
Very good. Yes? Meron?
Ay, wala po. Wala
very
po,
good.
wala po.
You're very
Pero
good.
may suitor naman.
I really like you. Okay, thank you.
Salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 3.
Salamat.
Good luck, ha? Good luck.
Thank you,
Good
thank you
luck.
so much.
All right, thank you.
Nervous ako.
Nanginginig lang ako.
Pwede magkapot ang kamutan mo. Pwede kaputan ko ng kamutan. Pero sa tagasan, malipot. Seryoso. Ay, baku, Counselor Sunshine. Mainit. Mainit eh. Hi, candidate number
Hello,
4.
candidate number 4.
Cute ka sa pink ka. Di ba? How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18?
Yes.
Really? So you are senior high school?
I'm a graduate na po of
Graduate
Legazpi City
of
Science High
college?
School. Graduate
I'm
ng
sorry.
Graduate ng high school po.
High school. Ano ang plano mo sa buhay after in college?
I'm actually an incoming first year college
Okay.
student, and I'm going to be taking up Bachelor of Science in Legal Management
Wow.
in the La Salle University.
Lasal, ha?
Yes.
Di namin kaya yun. Lasal University. Sige, candidate number 4. Pakilala ka sa mga nakikinig.
Hello po, I'm Ia Lester Bober, 18 years old, proudly representing the home of the Kagswa Festival, Daraga Albay. I am an aspiring lawyer, and ayun, I'm taking up a Bachelor of Science in Legal Management, and I'm also a graduate of Legazpi City Science High School, and right now, I'm also advocating for youth empowerment through arts.
Youth and?
Youth empowerment through arts.
Kala ko armament. Youth empowerment through
arts.
Paano nang mangyayari yan, advocacy mo?
I'm actually a theater actress. I'm someone who's been doing choir. I do singing, and I also do dancing. And I believe that kagaya po nung na-visit po natin sa SPED Center,
Apo.
napulun po kitang estudyante and mga aki po na tayo po talaga nakakapag-express kan sa dirindinda through words. And I believe na if magkaroon din po sindang avenue or place for them to just express themselves, matatabangan ta po sinda na ma-help ta po kung ano po ang problema ninda. And through arts. Kaya, ayun po, saro po siyang something na from my heart po talaga dahil very, tawag dito, personal po sa akin ng arts dahil natabangan niya po ako na makapag ano kan sa kuyang anxiety po and makapag-express kan sa kuyang sa
Sabi mo,
diri po sa
nagkakanta
mga
ka?
tao. Yes po.
Sige daw. Anong favorite song mo?
Nakunan po akong favorite
Isa lang,
song.
anong favorite song mo? Sige.
Makaday po kita matapos. Pinubos mo sa favorite.
Baka mag-concerto ka digdi, Sige, ano ang favorite? One line of your favorite song.
Ano na lang,
One line.
Bicol song na
Bicol
lang
song?
tayo.
Sige nga, ano yan?
Malipot
Sarong
na
Banggi.
po, digdig.
Gusto mong Sarong Banggi?
Ano na lang, padabata ka po.
Ako padaba takaman, sa totoo lang. Padaba takaman. Sige, one line. Padaba taka.
Okay.
Ano man Sarong Banggi na kanta? Sige na nga. 1, 2, 3, go. Padaba.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
go. Padabata ka, daing ibang
Ay, nako.
muyahon kundi
ka.
Ay, swerte kang lalaki. Ano? Swerte.
Palaban ba?
Palaban to, ah.
Nako.
Oo.
Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Balaban pala tong taga Ligasay na to. Ligasay ka, di ba?
Yes
Graduate
po,
ka, Liga,
yes
from
po.
Ligasay. Okay. Sige, thank you, candidate number 4.
Salamat!
Thank you so much. Concert to, ah. Okay. Ano sa mga comment kan sa tuyang mga viewers? Tayo man ako pig-bash ngo yan. Hi, candidate number 5.
Hello po, Sir Henry.
Hi.
Maray na aga po sa inyo,
Maray
boss.
na aga po sa imo. Tell us about yourself, candidate number 5.
Hi everyone, my name is Micaela Lianto Barcela. I am 23 years old and I'm proudly representing my community, Bakakay Albay.
You are from Bakakay.
Yes,
Ah,
po.
okay. What is your advocacy in life, Miss Bakakay?
I am an advocate for accessible and equitable education, especially for children with disabilities or children with special needs.
Oh,
Because I
okay.
also have a cousin who has a developmental disorder, wherein I personally witness how she struggles,
Yeah.
especially coming from underprivileged family wherein their parents cannot access treatments. So it's really my advocacy to use my voice and my platform to advocate for accessible and equitable education, especially for for children with special needs.
I see.
Because it's really close to my heart.
How will you do that, candidate number 5? Yung your advocacy for special mga children with special needs, paano gigibuhon ito?
Of course, if given the crown to be the Muchanang
Yeah.
Ibalong 2026, I will definitely use this platform to use my voice and also to partner with the local government of Legazpi and also the non-local government organizations we have to really focus on providing access to children, especially with special needs. And when we say about equitable education, I believe that everyone deserves equal education, but we should provide access and equal access to children with special needs.
Ayun. Very good. I like that. Oh, didn't I like you? I like that. Thank you, candidate number 5.
Thank you so
Alright.
much.
Good luck, ha? Good luck po. Thank you. Thank you so much. She's from Bakakay. Good morning sa mga taga Bakakay, Tabi. We have candidate number 6. Haralang kaon man ni Tabi. May height requirement kita kagaon si Lord Sunshine.
Actually, wala na po, Sir Henry, because inali na po siya sa national, no?
Wala na.
Because due to, sabi kaya
May kwan.
body,
Oo, may mga
pero body
discrimination nga.
Para madai magkaigwang discrimination.
Tama.
So if you're like voluptuous, medyo bilugan ka, it's okay.
Yeah,
That's
oo.
why we remove the measurements
Tama
during
yun.
the
Tama
screening.
yun. So sa Miss Universe baga,
Opo.
may mga big sizes, di ba?
Yes,
That's
but for
good.
as long as
Yeah.
kaya mo daraw ng lawas mo,
Yeah.
kaya mong
Oo,
maglakaw,
yeah.
you can present yourself.
Yeah. Hi, candidate number 6. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Who is candidate number 6?
Good morning to everyone. Ako man po si Alisa May Pintor, 21 years old, representing City Obligao here in Albay. So, I am currently a fourth-year college student, taking up Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at Bicol University, and I advocate for empowering single mothers as well.
Magaling ka sa painting, ano? Anong advocacy mo, candidate number 6?
Empowering single mothers.
Empowering single mothers. Why is it so, Miss Candidate number 6?
I advocate for empowering single mothers because it is dedicated to my mother and to all single mothers in my community. I believe that being a mother is the most hard and the most important job, but oftentimes they are neglected. So I believe that Muchanang Ibalong 2026 is such a great platform to open up meaningful conversations, and I want to bring light to all single mothers. Also, I would like to collaborate and work with the local government so that they can give opportunities for single mothers for them to land jobs that will help their families to thrive. And I would like to spark
positive change
Yeah.
and give them hope na igwa po sindang future na mabibuild para sa pamilya ninda and kaya po ninda daw saro lang po sinda na nagbubuhay sa pamilya ninda just like my mother.
Oh, how would you incorporate that given the chance na manggana ka as Miss Ibalong?
For me po, Mutya ng Ibalong is such a great platform for empowering women.
Yeah.
And gusto ko po na maging center, advocacy ako po
Yeah.
para sa mga single mothers. Nakikita ko po kung gaano nagda-thrive ang Legazpi. And I would like to collaborate with the local government here in Legazpi to give import or to give single mothers a platform or para po tawan po sila ng mga opportunities like para po mas lalo pong ma-boost ang confidence ninda, ang
Apo.
skills ninda.
Apo.
Kasi po, nakikita ko po kung paano nila tiga-discriminate ang mga single mothers na they are just single mothers. Pero para sa ko po
Yeah.
nahihiling ko po kung gaano po nagsa-struggle ang mama ko po everyday. Dahil may kambal po ako.
Yeah.
Siya lang po ang
Babae
nabubuhay.
pang kambal mo?
Opo.
Hain po ito.
Nasa ligaw po.
Okay. So, kambal interesado ako eh. joke lang. Sige, go.
So, nahiling ko po kung paano niya po face ang challenges
dalawa
every
kayo,
day.
ha?
Opo.
Oh.
But, yeah. Araw-al daw po siya nagbubuhat.
Oh.
Araw-al daw po niya bipailing sa mo na kaya niya po ibigay ang gabos para lang sa muhay akang kambal ko.
see.
So, with that, na-motivate po ako na ipaglaban sinda. That's why I would like to become a lawyer someday
Oh.
to fight for their rights po.
Very good, ha? Good luck to your advocacy.
Salamat po.
Candidate number 6. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you
Good
po.
luck. Next, please.
Be careful.
Siguro, mas magayon sutugang niya sa... Aday, arin. So, kambal niya. Pareho gid kagayon. Aday, pareho bagang itsura kan, di ba? Identical twin? Identical twin sila. Alright, big. Hi, candidate number 7.
Hello po.
Hi.
Maray na Aldaw po.
Maray na aga po. Pamidbid ka po sa mga nagdadangog, buda sa viewers na.
Yes po. Good morning po. Ako Tabi, si Sherry May Romaraog, 24 years old from Municipality of Batu, Province of Camarines Sur.
Masira mo ng pansit doon, Zendo.
Iyo po.
Di ba? Okay. Anong advocacy mo sa buhay, Miss candidate number 7?
Ako po, graduate po ako ng Bachelor of Arts in Political Science as well, and a licensed professional teacher.
Oh.
And right now, I am a second year.
Teacher ka, LPT ka, ha?
After graduating pol sci po, I took methods of teaching.
Okay.
And then a year after that, I took the
Congratulations. ha?
licensure examination.
Yeah.
Thank you po. And right now, I am a second year law student at University of Nueva Cáceres. And I am an advocate for mental health awareness.
Yeah. Anong oras ang klase ba rin?
Every day
sa
po ang
Kamsur pala
class
to.
ko.
Sa
Every
Kamsur.
night.
Ayaw mo mag-teach?
Actually, sir, initially it was my mother's dream kasi.
Ay, sinunod mo si mama mo. Di ba?
Ano po, medyo aki po kaya si mama nagka...
Okay.
Pamilya.
Opo, oo.
So,
Mga 7
somehow-
years old, o? Joke lang. Go ahead.
19
okay.
po.
Yeah, okay. So, ganun, ang nangyari sa buhay. Alright. Gusto mong tanong about Ibalong Festival? Ayaw mo. Ito ha, dapat sa candidate na Burento Tabi, councilor, di ba? Ngayon baga, di ba, we have the trends about TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platform. How can Ibalong Festival use this platform to make Bicolano culture more relevant in today's generation?
Ngunyan po, baga kayang panahon, very relevant na po talaga ang technology.
Yeah.
And aramtaman po, gabos na bagay, gabos na igwa kita, it has pros and cons.
Yeah.
So, nasa sato na po iyan kung paano ta po gagamiton ang sa tong mga resources. And actually, posting online in social media and even in TikToks, nakakatabang man po talaga siyang so much po. Like, pinapahiling ta po kung ano po ang igwa kita as Bicolanos, and dawa po ang mga taga Arayo po.
Yeah.
Nahihiling po
Worldwide,
ninda.
di ba?
Iyo po, nahihiling po ninda, like real time, kung ano po ang nangyayari sa sarong lugar, and kung ano po ang igwa sinda, and kung ano man po ang pwedeng ma-showcase.
Opo.
Yun
Thank
po.
you, candidate number 7.
Thank you so much po.
Okay. Number 8, please. select your questions. Alright.
Garo sarong booklet.
Naganda ako. Hi, candidate number 8.
Hello, good morning everybody.
Hi, are you a foreign?
Oh, no po.
You have foreign blood?
No po.
No.
But my father's side, they have Spanish.
Spanish.
Right. My name is Mary Denise.
Habla español?
Konti lang.
Alit. Okay. Sige, okay. Then your mother is from?
Bicol region, from Bulac, Camarines Sur.
Bulac, Camarines Sur.
Yes.
Okay. Who is candidate number 8? Miss Bulac.
Hi everybody, I am Mary Denise Alexandri Ginoo Nueva. I am 25. I am from Bulac, Camarines Sur. I am a run host and I am a long distance runner.
Yeah. Wow, really?
Yes. I am aiming for my first marathon this year. I already ran my longest run, 25 kilometers.
25 kilometers.
Yes. And I am also a health and wellness advocate. Yes.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo sa mga pagkain ngayon? Joke lang. General question Pero it's a good one na ang health talaga is wealth. Sabi nga, health is wealth. Diba? Halimbawa, ikaw ang nanggana na Miss Ibalong, paano mo gigibuhon yan? Paano mo siya incorporate sa advocacy kang city government or city tourism office about health, etc.?
You know, I believe that Mutyanang Ibalong 2026 is a beautiful platform to start my advocacy. Because I advocate for health and wellness because I want to put the people first. I believe that in any journey that we take, we should always prioritize this vessel that is given to us.
Yeah.
For us to achieve anything that we want.
Yeah.
Of course, if we stay healthy, you know, we can go for a walk. Ganyan, we can study. We can engage ourselves into social services. And I think it's a good start.
Yeah.
It's a good start to also wake up the people that we should go first before anything else. We should prioritize our health first.
Yeah. Vegetarian ka?
Hindi po. I love eating chicken.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
And,
native chicken or?
Any kind of
Any
chicken.
kind?
Yes.
Kahit buhay? Joke lang. Okay. Good luck, candidate number
Thank you
8.
so much.
Opo. Sa tingin mo, anong edge mo sa kanila?
My edge to these beautiful ladies.
Ay.
Oh, that is...
Huwag mong sabihin baka awayin ka mamaya pagbaba. Joke lang. Sige, go.
No, I think my edge among everybody, I think everybody has a, special characteristics.
Talents.
Yeah. But for me, I think I've come a long way that I am aware of who I am. When I know who I am and my identity, it's way easier to express myself.
Yeah.
And I think sometimes, in beauty pageants, we tend to overthink. But overall, it's just you. Your competition is yourself. So I think my edge is just being myself and knowing myself and what I want and what my goal is. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate
Thank you
number 8.
so much,
Good luck.
Mr.
Good luck.
Thank
Alright,
you.
bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Hi, next please. Nasa 9 pa lang kita, bata 20 ini, Pio, dyan ka lang, Pio, tabi, Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It is your first time to join Ibalong Festival?
Yes, it's my
Tama.
first
Ngayon lang kita
ever
nakita,
pageant din po.
First din mo sa panyo. Wala, hindi ka nag-join sa school or whatever?
Wala po.
Oh.
I did do modeling before though, so I'm
Where?
able to...
Manila?
Here po, in
Here in
Legazpi.
Legazpi?
Yes po,
Okay.
under BMME, Best Models Management.
Oh. Why you decided to join?
Actually, for most of my life, many of my family and friends have been telling me to join a pageant.
Yeah.
And I have been thinking about it lately, and I decided that I would love to join a pageant.
Yeah.
However, my modeling manager told me, go big or go home. So,
I see. Okay.
yes, well, so when my handler reached out to me and asked if I would like to join Mutya ng Ibalong,
Opo.
I was ecstatic because I'm actually a mythology nerd.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my. Yeah. Okay. Sige. Got you. I got you. Okay. Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
So when I learned about the requirements needed, I was extremely excited to be able to
represent Legazpi City
Mm.
in this pageant,
Yeah.
as well as immersing myself to learn more of our culture and more tourist spots
Yeah.
that are around here
Yeah.
as well.
What is your advocacy in life, candidate number 9?
My advocacy po
Mm.
is for body positivity.
By Pacific. Ano yan? First time marinig yan ha. That's body. Ah, sorry. I think I thought by positivity. Body positivity. What does it mean, candidate number 9?
I believe
Mm.
that it means to not judge a person
Yeah.
based on their physical appearance, but
Okay.
to base it on their actions
Yeah.
and their heart and soul.
Yeah.
Because for me, whenever I look at someone,
Yeah.
my first thought is, how would they greet me? How would their personality be?
Okay.
And whenever I get to know someone,
Mm.
they become even more beautiful once I know
Yeah.
their interests, their lives, what they're scared of, and
Mm.
what their dreams are.
Oh.
So that's why I'm so admirant of Concy Sunshine.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
she-
Talaga?
Sorry,
Talaga? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mm.
I'm very admirant for Concy Sunshine po.
Yeah.
Because when she mentioned earlier that she removed the measurement requirements,
Yeah.
I do agree with her wholeheartedly. As long as you have the confidence to put yourself out there,
Yeah.
you
Mm.
should be able to compete
Mm.
and show the world that you are beautiful and
Oh.
you can represent Ibalon,
Mm.
which is the original name for Bicol.
Yeah. When I greeted you good morning a while ago, what is your reaction?
Wala lang po.
Wala,
Good
wala kang
morning.
good morning. May nakita ka bang positive sa akin sa greetings ko kanina?
Yes, very positive.
What is can you share that to our viewers and listeners? May bighanap mo ini nasimpa ka. Yeah, go ahead please. Go ahead.
Yes, actually, when you greeted me, good
Yeah.
morning, I was very excited to start speaking because it is really comforting here.
Yeah.
And while I was waiting in the line
Yeah.
of beautiful women
Yeah.
behind me, I was somewhat shaking because I
Really?
am nervous.
Really?
Yes,
Yeah.
po.
Is this your first interview over the radio?
Yes, po. My first ever.
Okay.
So-
So I invited you to be here every day. Ito Ibalong Festival.
Sige
Saan ka
po.
nakatira?
Po?
Saan ka nag-star?
Star?
Saan ka nakatira?
Where do you
Where are you living?
I'm living here
Barangay.
I'm
Barangay?
living here in Barangay 16.
16
Yes po. Near Bagong Bayan po.
Bagong Bayan Central School?
Yes.
Okay. I'll let you know. We have a service car from there to DCGB every day. Hey, joke lang. All right. Thank you, candidate number 9. Good luck. Good luck to you, ha. Good luck to you. All right. Hi, candidate number 7.
Nalilibong na si Sir.
Number 10 na pala. Ipabalik ko. Hi, candidate number 10.
Maray na aga po.
Maray na aga po. Taga saan po ika?
Taga Bombon, Camarines Sur.
Bombon, Camarinesor.
Bombon po.
Mumbon.
Bombon.
Mumbon. Kumusta sa Mumbon? Pigbabaha pa duman. Dahil naman ade.
Dahil naman
Minsan.
po. Minsan na lang.
minsan lang. Ano pong advocacy kan candidate number 10?
Actually po, Sir Henry, last year po, na-diagnose po ako with ADHD.
ADHD. Ano yung
po.
ADHD? Ano yan?
Ano po siya, pero para po ma-explain, maintindihan po
Yeah.
ng mga viewers na ang ADHD po, for example, nag-i-interview po kita ngunyan.
Okay.
Pero po, pag may nahiling po akong camera, ang mata ko po at isip ko, mahiling agad naman sa camera. Even though nag-uulay pa lang po kita ngunyan.
Oo, kanahiling ta ka. Anong nasa isip mo?
Siyempre po, ako yan, Sir Henry.
Joke lang. Joke lang. Sige. Talaga? So, anong advocacy mo sa buhay?
Actually po, Sir Henry, nag-co-founder po ako kang Siklab Bombon. Organization po siya sa Bombon, Camarines
opo.
Sur. Wherein po, nag-partner po ako sa therapist ko po sa Kinaiya sa Naga City
very
po.
good. Oo.
Nagpo-provide po kami ng free mental health consultations po sa mga aki. Kaya inapod ko po siyang Siklab.
Siklab.
Siklab po.
Dakulong ka dito sa Legazpi na may advocacy ng araw ka.
Opo.
Makakatabang ka sa mga ADHD. I think, di ba ano yan? Di ba parang may reference siya sa psychology?
Opo.
Psychology, tama? Oo. Paano mo na-overcome yan?
Actually po, halik po siyang process.
Yeah,
Up until
correct. I
now
understand.
po niyan, tigo-overcome ko pa po siya.
Oo.
Kasi po last year, nagbali po ulit ako ng ibalong. So, pangduwa ko na po ng beses.
Opo.
So, nagbali po ako, undiagnosed pa po ako. So, kung isipon po, may mga aki na arog ko last year na may pangarap na di pa po diagnosed sa same condition ko.
Yeah.
And to think na sa society sinda na up until ngunyan ang pag-contradict pa din ng mga tao sa mga baliw lang.
Yeah.
Up until na nakabox pa din kami sa araw katong ideology, I feel like mas magayon po talagang platform na ngunya na mabali ako, papahiling ko sa inda na kahit may pinag-agihan akong araw kaini, malaban ako.
Yeah.
Tatao kami, may emosyon kami, at kaya may mangarap po.
Magayon yan ha. Anong age mo na discover?
When I was diagnosed po, I was only 18.
18. Okay.
Pero po, the symptoms were showing already when I was 15 pa lang
15
po.
pa lang. So ngayon, wala ka nang, it's okay. Okay ka na ngayon?
Actually po, just like what I've said po, it's a journey, it's a process.
Yeah, correct. It's a long process.
Yes
ano?
po. Kahit po sabihin natin, okay po ako ngunyan, ang emotion may po kayo mga diagnose, pabaago-baago po yan. Kaya po talaga kayo po haning magayon na prevention and process. Hindi sa mga LGUs ta po. And knowing po na 81% po of Filipinos don't get access to proper psychological access. So I feel like mas magayon po talaga na i-strengthen ta ang mga kaakian.
Yeah, it's a good one na yaong galing din sa Misibalong.
Yes po.
Oo. So, ano pa ang ibang pigigibo mo sa buhay?
Actually po, BS Tourism student po ako sa Laguna.
I see.
Yes
so, di ka pa papasok ngayon? Di ka nag-ilalao?
Excuse po ako niyan, sir. Maray na lang po talaga. Excuse.
So, grade hali mo kay, bago akang grade kay Councilor Sunshine. Maray, tinubutan ka kang school mo.
Actually po, kaya sa LPU po, very accommodating man po sila sa mga pageants. Kasi po sa school me po, may pageant man po talaga. Sabi ko po as a teacher ko, ma'am, pwede pong pa-excuse, may pageant ako. Sabi niya, sige, basta manggana ka ha.
Ayan. Kung kung professor mo, pasado ka permi sa kuya.
Ay, thank you po, Sir Henry.
Diba? Okay, sige. Ano ang masasabi mo sa mga parents na igwaki ADHD? Aram ko, may programa kaya akong Radio Clinic every Saturday. It's a health program. May mga guest akong psychologist, psychiatrist, doctor, etc. etc. May naging discussion kami siguro mga 4 times na about that kind of ADHD. Anong mensahe mo sa mga parents mo yan? Na paano ninda masasabutan ang ng mga akipag-arugan ng sitwasyon?
Well, coming from my mother's perspective po, kung sinabi ko po sa nanay ko na ma-diagnose na ako, sabi niya, kang inot po, di niya magets. Tapos syempre po, sa pag-iisip kang mga traditional na Pilipino, ano yan? Ang isip ta lang, ay kapay, arog ka. Pero po, kung sinabi ko sa iya, mama, mag-research kita. Mama, intindihan mo kung anong pinag-agihan ko. Tayo ng sa trabaho mo bilang sarong magulang, intindihan ang pinag-agihan kang sarong aki. So I feel like sa mga magurang po ngunyan, magdangog po kamo sa mga aki nindo. Dawago nang sa indang puso at isip. Sa mga tao lang po mga aki nindo, may mga pangarap po yan. Importante mag-invest sa mga aki nindo. Tayo nang magbibigay ng inspirasyon. Bako lang sa pamilya nindo, baka maka-inspire man yan sa sarupang aki society nindo.
Opo. May nakakaintindi ba na bang puso sa iyo?
Ano po?
Mayroon na bang bigwa ng puso ng lalaki na nakaintindi sa iyo mo?
Actually po, I'm very open about my sexuality. I'm actually a lesbian po, Sir Henry.
Okay. Wala namang masama dyan.
Opo.
Diba? Okay. So, mayroon nang nakaintindi ng puso mo?
Meron na po.
Wow. Taga saan siya? Taga saan siya? Taga saan?
Taga Laguna din po ang aking partner.
Bakit hindi mo sinama? Dahil joke lang. Good luck ha.
Thank you po,
Good
Sir
luck
Henry.
Sa inyo.
Thank
Good
you
luck.
po.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your life ha.
Thank you po, Sir Henry.
10.
Thank you po.
Naintindihan ko yan. Thank you so much. Alright.
Thank you.
Next please. Number 11. Ay, madali na tabi Councilor Sunshine. Hi. Hi, candidate number 11.
Maray na aldaw po, Sir Henry.
Opo. Karakula kang busis kayo niya.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Taga saan po ka?
Hali po ako sa Naga City.
Wow.
And my
the
name,
home of Piña Francia Festival.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please.
I am Krisha Ann Pempolio Teral. Ako po ay sarong flight attendant.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please fasten your seatbelts. Kaya mga, di ba? Di ba? Kaya live yung sinasabi. On recorded yun sa aeroplano. May recorded at saka may live,
Yeah,
di ba?
meron. The same.
Anong anong eroplano ka?
Apologies, sir, pero I'm not allowed to
it's okay.
mention po
Yeah,
yung...
it's okay. Ayun pala, ano? Sorry.
Opo.
Sorry, alright. Sige.
Okay.
Sisay po si candidate number 11.
Ako po si,
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Kirsha.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then my advocacy is about health education.
Yeah, okay.
Ang advocacy ko po is inspired of my father who recently passed away 3 years ago.
Oh.
So yung
okay.
advocacy ko po is that to let everyone understand kung ano yung how important it is for us to live a life that is healthy. Kasi si hilang niya po is chronic kidney disease.
Okay.
And then this type of an illness, it can be hereditary, pero it can also be prevented if we will live a life na meron tayong activities wherein we do exercises. And then of course, not just physical exercises. Siyempre, dun din sa mga kinakain natin. It's very important to understand na our body is our temple. So we have to take care of it very, very well. Kasi, yun nga, parang the way we take care of it, it will reflect on us. Yun po.
Mayroon ba maging flight attendant?
Sa una.
Di ba nakakamiss
kasi-
yan sa mga parent daw, etc.?
Ano po yun, sorry?
Nakakamiss daw sa mga parents kasi you're
Nakakamiss.
always on travel.
Actually, opo, mahirap siya kasi every holidays,
Oh.
parang for couple of years, kailangan muna namin magtiis. Like Christmas, New Year's,
Oo, yeah.
yeah, peak season, kailangan na kailangan kami kasi nga, parang walang holidays for flight attendants.
Opo.
So, pero it will take around 30 years para lang magkaroon kami ng time with our family on special occasions.
Yeah, sacrifice pala yan
Yeah,
diba?
sacrifice. But then, it will be worth it.
Yeah.
Kasi even if you're not on the holiday seasons, every day can be holiday
Yeah,
din. Kasi with my work, I can bring them to any places in the world. So, it's
Correct.
a perk. It's a perks na parang hindi ko makukuha from other job.
Yeah.
Or siguro pwede naman if you will work double. But then, with this kind of perks, yun nga, parang it's not just a perk for myself, but
Yeah.
also for my family. And then, kahit nga I'm not with them every day, parang kapag sinabi nila na, let's go here, I can bring them somewhere.
Yeah, okay. So as a flight attendant, how would you bring Ibalong festival to the world?
Well, you know what? As a flight attendant, in my job, kami yung first person to be asked by curious passengers.
Yeah.
So every now and then, I always see to it na mami-mention ko yung Legazpi City.
Kada pagkakampa,
Yeah.
hello, good morning, happy Balong.
No naman, Sir
No,
Henry.
joke lang.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please. Okay.
Parang kumbaga, kasi meron like mga big aircrafts. Meron kami yung...
International flight ka?
Yeah, international
Okay,
flights po.
go ahead, please.
So, in big aircrafts, most of the time, yung seat ng crew seat, parang may kaharap ka lagi na passengers.
I see.
So, during takeoff and landing, parang that's the moment or opportunity for me to talk about the beautiful
Yeah.
Legazpi City,
Yeah,
Albay.
yeah.
Not just the Albay itself, but the entire Bicolandia. So, yun, parang lagi ko sinasabi, whenever they ask me na, where to visit here in the Philippines, parang ganun. And I truly believe that visiting and coming here in our province allows them to understand and
po.
appreciate the entire Philippines po.
Opo. Thank you so much, candidate number 11. Good
Thank
luck,
you,
ha?
Sir Henry.
Good luck. Thank you so much. Ayun, na-inlove ka na sa piloto? Di pa naman. Joke lang.
Yung piloto
joke lang.
ang mga na-inlove.
Yung piloto ang ma-inlove sa'yo.
Normal.
Yeah, okay. Next. Tama. Parang tinamaan ko yata, Hi. Kilala ko to. From Bicol University ka?
Hindi po, sir.
Saan?
From Divine Word College of
Di ba?
Legazpi
Oo
po.
nga pala, sorry. Bayo na naman akong school na. Sige, say something about yourself, candidate number 12.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. Good
Hi.
morning, sir.
Morning.
I am Jamila Van Gestel, a 25-year-old, a third-year college student at Divine Word College of Legazpi, and I am taking up the course of Management Accounting. I am an animal advocate, and I'm also half Dutch.
Half Dutch.
Yes, po.
Your father is
From the
Netherlands?
Netherlands, yes,
The
po.
Netherlands.
Yes.
Okay. Do you speak Bicol or Filipino?
Yes po, I speak
Ay,
Filipino.
siguro ko lang. Baka masala ako sa English ko eh. Okay. What is your advocacy in life, candidate number 12?
So as I mentioned earlier,
Yeah.
my advocacy is about animal welfare.
Animal welfare.
Yes po.
You see those dogs running on the streets in Legazpi
Yes
City?
po. Yes po.
Diba? Anong pwede mong gawin doon?
So we can offer like free neuter
Yeah.
services
Okay.
and free vaccinations
Yeah.
from the LGU units, from the
Mm.
veterinary office, because it's really impossible to lessen or to fully catch all the dogs. And I think that we should also implement stricter rules because I've experienced in my town, Bagong
Okay.
Bayan po.
Bagong
They-
Bayan,
yes
Daraga?
Po, yes. Like,
Kilala talaga kita eh. I saw you on the street. In
it's possible po, sir. Lagi po ako
Galang
naglalakad.
apartment, diba?
Yes
Galang
po,
ap-
yes
yeah,
po.
I saw. Galang apartment.
Yes po.
Then, sa may laundry shop. May
Yes po.
laundry- See?
Yes
See?
po.
Ikaw- I know you Okay.
Lagi po
pamilyar
kasi
ka
ako
sa akin.
naglalakad.
Sige. Isasakay kita pag nadaanan kita. Magpapaalam muna ako. Sige, go ahead please about your
Yes
advocacy.
po. So I've witnessed a dog catching
Yeah.
scenario going on sa
Okay.
Bagong Bayan po.
Yeah.
And I think it was very harsh that they have to do it in a very abusive way.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think that we can better that because these people are relying on the laws, but the
Yeah.
laws are not promoting animal welfare. They are actually very against it.
Yeah.
And I think that we should educate the people and
Yeah.
raise awareness. Kasi po, I have a really big heart for animals.
Yeah.
Kahit ano pong animals, like cats, dogs,
Yeah, yeah.
and we should also be aware, like scientifically proven na po, that a dog's brain is very similar to that of a child,
Yeah.
ranging from as young as 2 years old to 5 years old. So I think that we should really be aware that these creatures are precious
Yeah.
and we should treat them like children. And a lot of people actually consider animals as their family now.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's how we should see them and that's how we should treat
Yeah.
them. They are no different than us. They deserve love, respect, and care.
Yeah. You know, my wife is a pet lover.
Oh, that's good po.
Yeah, that's why she loves you very much. Then we have 4 dogs. at home.
Okay po.
Yeah, yeah. Dami naming aso.
Anong breed po?
May Dalmatian, may mga maliliit, may ano yung parang leon ang itsura. I forgot the name. Chow Chow. Chow Chow. Ang boss si Mrs. eh. Ako ang panlima na pet niya. Okay, good luck to you.
Okay.
Doon ka talaga sa Bagong Bayan nakatira?
Yes po.
Sa may galang apartment?
Yes po.
Oh, nakita ko talaga to. Sige, papansinin kita pag nakita kita. Ha?
Thank you po,
Okay,
sir.
thank you, candidate number 12. All right. I've been in Netherlands last year.
Okay po.
We went to Rai, Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Wow.
Then we went to The Hague. Yeah. Ikaw nakapunta ka na doon?
Hindi pa po sa ICC.
Sa ICC. Galing mo I like you Hindi pa sa ICC Kung napunta ka na ng Netherlands.
Yes po.
Okay.
For vacation before po.
Yeah, okay. Good luck. Good luck. All right. Thank you so much. Candidate number 13, hi.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Good morning.
Opo, introduce yourself, please.
So, pwede po, before I begin with my introduction, mag-shoutout po muna ako sa family ko.
Sure. Anong pangalan?
Of course, si Mama and Papa, Ate and Baby Aloys. And of course, my friends. I don't know po if naiimbod nila or nagsusubaybay sila right now, but I want to share my appreciation. Super supportive all throughout my journey. So, thank you po. Thank you, Mama, Papa, Ate. I love you all.
Yeah. Nasaan si Mama kasi Papa?
They're in Bulan po.
Nasa Bulan?
Yes
Ay,
po.
Bulan, Sorsogon.
Yeah, so
okay.
I'll begin with that. I am Bernadette Himao Hilana. I am 18 years old and I am the only representative of Sorsogon Province for this year's Mutya ng Ibalong. Yes.
Sino si Perez Mia? Wala. May nagigreet kasi dito.
Family.
Family mo.
Nauna na siya.
Okay. Sige, please. Anong advocacy mo, Miss Candidate number 6? Tama ba?
Yes po.
13. Go ahead,
yes,
please.
I'm number 13. So, I'm actually a proud advocate of youth empowerment. And this is rooted from my very own experiences, the ones I accumulated all throughout high school. As a young individual, I had a lot of opportunities presented to me by my school, by my community, by the province itself.
Tapa.
So I was a part of the pioneer batch of the A1 Youth Program, in which it was a 2-year leadership program where we go to the city to be trained as leaders every weekend for the whole 2-3 years. So it was a very wonderful opportunity to see how important opportunities are to the youth. So that was the reason I was very much inspired to be an advocate of youth empowerment.
Oo. Ito palagi itong tinatanong ko sa mga kabataan kasi you are a youth empowerment advocate.
Yes,
ano?
po.
Ang festival baga usually draws or invites thousands of people.
Yes.
Ang problema dyan, after the activities, thousands or tons of garbage or waste or ano yan, naiwan nila. Anong pwedeng gawin sa tingin mo pag ganoon ang sitwasyon?
I think most of the time, I firmly believe that education is the greatest form of prevention in anything. And even with that, in those trash lingering after events, after festivals, or whatever. So I believe that when we educate the youth to become responsible citizens of simply knowing where to put their trash, what to do with their trash, I think that's the very way we are able to preserve, of course, the environment and the cleanliness around us. So there are so much issues revolving floods here in the Philippines. It's very prominent. The issue is now rampant, especially on social media. And we can use that same platform into helping young people recognize the important role that they play in conserving and protecting our environment. So that's a very nice way to do it.
Yes. Thank you. And
Yes.
good luck, candidate.
Thank you
number,
so much, sir. It was
30.
nice meeting you.
All right. Next, please. Wow. Sino itong what number are you? Number 14. Yan. Sabi ito, hi, candidate number 14. 14 daw.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
What is your name, candidate number 14?
So, good morning everybody. My name is Lisa May General, all the way from the capital town of Camarines Sur, municipality of Pili.
Wow. Pili?
Yes,
Mabot na sa labas ka, ano?
Pa?
Wala. Ay, joke lang. Sabi ko, sige, anong advocacy mo sa buhay?
Well,
Number 14.
I am really passionate about unsilvering education because...
Pardon?
Unsilvering education.
Okay.
Because I am a licensed professional teacher.
Okay.
And also, I believe that education is not only reserved for those who are born with a silver spoon. And that's why I am very passionate to perform this advocacy in and outside of the crown. Kasi po, at a very young age, I have always known responsibility.
Yeah.
Hindi po kami pinanganak sa isang mayaman na pamilya. So, I really made sure to grab opportunities para makapag-aral ako and para mag-thrive ako.
Papa.
And now that I have those opportunities with me and I'm already capable, I think it's high time to support others as well. Not just only by providing opportunities to them, but also in small acts of kindness.
Mia, okay. You're a teacher, sabi? Teacher ka, tama?
Yes, pa.
Teacher ka. If you could speak directly to the young people of Legazpi, what would you tell them about their responsibility to preserve Ibalong Festival?
That is a very great question since
Thank
we're
you.
already
Thank you so much.
celebrating Ibalong Festival.
Okay.
And to the youth, I would say that you are playing a vital role in preserving our tradition. And I believe that since we are already exposed in technology, it's high time for us to use this in our advantage by trying to use social medias to see all the beautiful places and also the heritage that we have here. Because po, sa social media, mas marami tayong audiences na ma-reach, not just here in our nation, but also international, right? So, since mahilig tayo mag-post sa stories, mag-post ng kung ano-ano sa social media natin, I think it's a powerful tool for us to promote the Ibalong Festival. Kasi Ibalong Festival is one of the richest culture and also the mythology ng Bicol and our history. And the only way that we can preserve this for the next generations to come is to use innovation po.
Yeah. Thank you. Good luck, candidate number 14.
Thank you po.
Thank you. We have numbers 15. Yeah. Siyempre, ang susunod sa 14 is 15 eh. Obviously, di ba? Di ba? Hi, candidate number
Hello
16.
po. Good morning.
Good morning. You look familiar.
I do.
Yeah. Yeah. Are you from Camarines Sur?
Camarines Norte po.
Kaya nga familiar lumagpas ng kaunti.
But I am Miss Camarines Sur po.
See?
Yes.
Nahiling ta ka sa Peña Francia. Nagudyo ka sa Miss Peña Francia?
No
No
po.
pa, wala pa naman. Wala pa. Pero you are the reigning Miss Camarines Sur?
Yes po.
Okay. So, kumusta ang pagiging Miss Camarines Sur?
Well, of course, I'm very happy with it because I could get to visit Camarines Sur more often now, and especially that my brother is studying there in Ateneo de Naga University. I could get to meet a lot of people, the Nagueños, and I may not be familiar with Camarines Sur, but now that I'm visiting it more often, I feel like I could make Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur a little bit more close together.
Wow, very
Yeah.
good. Alright. Sorry nakalimutan ko. Pakilala ka nga
Yes,
ulit
okay.
sa ating mga listeners and viewers.
Of
Go ahead, please.
course. My name is Christine Margaret Gonzalez Adonio. I'm 19 years old, and I represent DAET Camarines Norte.
Okay. Advocacy.
Okay, my advocacy is fostering children's education and teaching them about 21st century literacy skills.
Grabe naman yung
because
21st century talaga.
20
Specific,
Of course, we're living in the 21st century right now.
Of course, yeah.
Yes,
I know.
because I'm a education advocate because I went to this small town in our province called Gawad Kalinga in San Lorenzo Ruiz, Camarines Norte, in which I've provided them enough school supplies. And when I went there, this little kid approached me and said, "Ate, thank you for coming in here." This is not what he has exactly said, of course.
Okay, yeah.
But he said, "Thank you for coming in here because we literally have no school supplies at all, and this would be our lunch. You know, this would be our food for today."
Pagkain namin ngayon
Yes,
yan,
yes,
oo,
basically.
oo.
And it was just biscuits. And so I was urged to also buy them a meal because they haven't eaten anything in that day. And also they didn't have any school supplies, but they go to school. And I think it's not enough that education is a privilege when it shouldn't be, because education is a basic human right and everybody deserves it.
Okay. If you're given 1 million budget, 1 million budget kagad
Yes, that's huge.
for one sustainability project in Bicol, where would you invest it and why?
I would absolutely invest it in children's education for sure. Yes, because they really deserve the recognition as well as the right to have enough resources for them to be able to study. And I know how much cliche it would be to say that everybody deserves education, but it should be cliche because everybody deserves it, and that should always remain as it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, candidate number 15.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for coming. Okay, we have candidate number 16. May fan to. Kanina pa to nagchat-chat, oh. Go Abby Perez, Cañete. Number 16. Tama?
Apa.
Okay. Ano mo to ng mga nakachat nila? Family mo?
Pinsan ko po yan
Pinsan
at mga
mo?
kapatid.
Okay. Sige nga, pakilala ka, Miss Cañete.
Okay, good morning. I am Abby Perez Cañete. I'm 23 years of age. I'm a graduate with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Architecture
Okay.
at Cebu Institute of Technology University. Aside from a passion for architecture, I am also an advocate of SDG 11 and
SDG 11.
SDG 11
SDG, what
po,
is that?
which is Sustainable Cities and
Yeah.
Communities.
Okay. Okay.
And of course, environmental protection, bringing my expertise in architecture and preserving and protecting our environment.
Okay. So maganda 'yan, ano. You are architect,
Yes,
architecture
pa.
student?
Yes, pa. After 5 years of college, I'm currently doing my apprenticeship now in an architectural firm in Cebu po.
Bakit sa Cebu ka nag-aral?
Although I'm a pure Filipina, I actually consider myself half.
I
because
see. Okay.
My father is a Cebuano and my mother is Masbateño. So I consider myself a halfie. So I was raised in Cebu. I also did my elementary, high school, and college there. But now, as I join in Mutya ng Ibalong, I am now representing my mother's side because yung pageantry ko po, lagi po sa Cebu. Parang in-honor ko po yung father ko doon. Pero this time po, yung mother ko naman.
Okay, ito. If you could introduce one modern innovation to Ibalong Festival without losing its cultural authenticity, what would it be?
If I could create a modern,
Modern innovations about Ibalong Festival. Ano pang gusto mong gawin na isa pang pwede?
Of course, in today's generation,
Opo.
Which is usually technology, our life revolves around technology. I would create a digital story about Ibalong Festival because in social media we can reach beyond our borders, national, international. Ibalong epic narrative is actually our greatest tool to tell our story and our history. The braveness of every Bicolano, the Ibalong warriors. This shapes our culture, and I believe through that innovation, people around the world will get to know our story and be inspired to go here and also practice the braveness, the Oragon spirit.
Pinag-aralan mo talaga itong Ibalong, ha?
Of course po.
You know, Hanjong, Baltog, and...
Opo.
Baltog, Hanjong, and Bantong.
Opo.
Di ba? Pugi sila, di ba? Okay, good luck alert number 16. Mabuhay po. Thank you. Okay, next please. 17. Sinong host natin sa Mutya ng Ibalong sa Friday night? Artista?
Nicole Cordoves.
I see. Pero may mga maabot na artista na. Pero pag yaong gagariw na yan. Nandun na. Hi, candidate number 17.
Hello po, Sir Henry.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Opo. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello everybody, my name is Precious Josa Mortel. I am 26 years old and I'm representing Masbate Province.
Taga Masbate. Ilan sila sa Masbate? Tatlo.
Yes,
Tatlo pala. From where in Masbate?
I am from
17.
Mandaon po.
Mandaon, Masbate. Okay. Anong advocacy mo sa buhay?
Well po, I am a graduate of Bicol University and now a licensed genetic engineer.
Magaling mag-survey pala to, ah. Surveyor to. Okay, sige.
I co-founded po a community in Masbate which is called the We the Youth Paglaom Initiative,
Opo.
where we empower children. And I'm also I am a member of the Rotary Club of Legazpi. It's where I make most of my stay here in Albay taking action to service. Other than that, I am an agrarian reform program technologist.
Okay.
I work po in Naga City.
I see. So you are a government employee? No?
Yes. Po. Now, for my advocacy...
Naka-live ka ngunya na din. Nag-live ka?
Yes.
Binbin mo si Sir Leo Del Rosario? Hindi.
No,
Yes, professor ba ka? Sa Bicol University?
Not.
Genetic engineer ka, di ba?
Yes,
Sorry.
po.
Architecture
Nasa
pala siya.
Buseng po.
Architecture pala siya. My son is calling. I do not know what you want to speak. Okay. Ano ang kwan mo? Yung advocacy mo, Miss Candidate number 17, paano siya maiko-contribute mo, ma-relate mo sa Ibalong promotions?
Okay po. For the Epic of Ibalong po, the story of our locals is there. And as an advocate for women, children, and farmers empowerment,
Opo.
I want to bring this into the Ibalong.
Wow. Farmers empowerment.
Yes po, because I am
maganda yan, di ba? Naiba yata yan.
Yes, employee.
Kasi tumatandaan mga farmers ngayon.
Yes, po, there is a dying workforce po in this industry. And I hope, with Ibalong Festival, I hope to inspire the younger generation to take interest into farming industry.
Yeah.
Kasi po, pawala na po talaga yung interest ng ating kabataan, and they are more interested to other things, especially those that they see in social media.
Yeah. Ang Ibalong baga, may part yan na agriculture, history.
Yes po.
Diba ang Ibalong Festival? Yung mga linsa sa parte ng Kamalig, dinestroy siya ni Kwan eh. Yung wild boar, part yun ng agriculture. So, tama. It's an advocacy. Kasi wala tayong kakainin na pagdating ng araw.
Yes.
Diba? Oo. Kumusta ang pagiging geodetic engineer?
It's fun naman po,
Oh.
especially that I get to, now that I live away from my family,
Yeah.
but I came from a family of farmers, and now that I'm working as an agrarian reform program technologist, I get
Kaya
to
pala sa DARCA,
be
Di ba?
immersed again in the world of agriculture.
Mm.
It's like a home away from home po.
Yeah, okay. Bakit ka nag-join sa Ibalong Festival?
Honestly, I was already thinking of retiring from joining pageantry.
Too
But
early,
then
ha?
po,
Too early. Oh.
I was asked if sasali pa po ulit ako ng pageant. Then I remembered the different causes and communities that I am representing, and they are my driving force when I joined pageants. And
inspirasyon mo pala sila,
yes.
ha? Okay.
And I want to do it again.
Wow. Good luck to you, candidate number 70.
Thank you so much po, Sir Henry.
Thank you. Welcome po. All right.
Before I
go ahead, please.
Before I leave po, I want to thank the Ruyag family for giving me this bag.
Oh, really, ha? Ano
Yes
naman
po.
yan? May laman ba yan?
Random things lang po. Pero this bag po is a product of our local artisans here in Albay.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Maganda, ha?
It's so pretty.
It's a good quality yan. Matagal ang buhay
Yes
yan.
po.
Abaka yan eh, di ba? Abaka. Okay.
Thank you so much po, sir.
Saan nakuha yan na necklace na yan? Yan yung hawak mo. Di ba necklace yan?
Yes
joke.
po.
Joke lang.
Thank you so much po,
Sige,
Sir
thank you
Henry.
so much. Thank you. Next, please. Number 18. Number 18. Kumpleto pala talaga ito, Councilor Imperial, ha? Hi.
Siyempre po,
Good morning, ma'am.
pinangako ko sa iyo.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pakilapit po sa microphone. Opo. Sige po. Introduce yourself, please.
Hi everyone, I am Nicole Carjal from Camarines Sur. I am a licensed professional teacher and I am currently pursuing my Masters of Arts in English.
Wow. Very good to, ha? Professional. Magtuturo ka ba? O hindi?
I'm teaching po right now, pero I'm not teaching in schools.
I see. Saan po?
Online. Yes.
Okay. That's a good one. Anong advocacy mo sa buhay, candidate number 18?
So, as a licensed professional teacher, I've spent a few years studying education and I've learned the gaps in our educational system. And what bothers me most is that 10-year-old students still cannot read.
Oh, really?
Yes. This challenge is called the learning poverty, and it reflects that our school systems aren't well organized to help our children learn.
Yeah.
And as a teacher myself, I've witnessed how this affects students not only academically, but also emotionally and economically in the future.
Yeah. What do you think is the most challenging role of a teacher in today's 21st century?
Well, in a world saturated with noise, disinformation, and division, it is more imperative now than ever for our youth to speak up. That's why the teacher's role is very important. It is more urgent than ever to invest in education to nurture minds that participate, question, and shape reality, to raise thinkers who speak truth, defend dignity, and dream boldly. That is, and we can only achieve that by helping young people realize their own strengths and abilities. That is the revolution that teachers quietly lead every single day.
Yeah, it's very hard to be a teacher. For example, in elementary or high school.
Yeah.
Kasi there are so many rules and laws that governing us, no? Being a teacher. I'm a teacher in a university.
Really po? Saan po?
UST and Bicol University. Nararamdaman ko din yan, yung problema natin bilang mga teachers. Kaya sana, 'di ba, pagdating ng araw, mas lalong ma-strengthen pang ko natin kasi you know that, alam mo na, alam mong problema, 'di ba? Alam mo ang problema. Pero sa tingin mo, ano ang dapat gawin para mas lalong ma-improve ang education sa ating bansa? Isa lang, give me one example, for example.
Well, right now, there's been a lot of news about school violence, shooting, and I think it's important to prioritize that. I believe that it is important to implement comprehensive school safety policy through stricter security protocols. while also investing in mental health services, values formation, and stronger partnerships between schools and families. Because I believe that this delinquent youth, they have their reasons, and I believe that violence can be prevented not only by protecting the school premises, but also nurturing the children's character.
Yeah. Thank you, candidate number
Thank you so much.
17. Good luck to your teaching career, ha? All right. Master in English. Wow. All right. Thank you. We have number 19. Madali na. Hi, number 19.
Hello po. Good
Yeah.
morning, everyone.
Okay. Pakilala ka po.
So, I am Sarah Therese Abigail Bagasina, 21 years old, all the way from the gateway to Camarines Sur, the municipality of Regay. I am a passionate advocate for mental health awareness, and since 2023, I have been using my platform through pageantry, meaningful conversation, and social media to remind others that they are never alone. Because I believe that sometimes a listening ear and a few kind words can save life.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
believe that mental health should never be treated as a weakness because it's as important as our physical health. And I want to use this platform actually to remind all of you and to ask all of you to be more than just as spectators. Be the friend who listens, be the family member who understands, and be the kind of person who chooses kindness over judgment. Because together, we can create a world where no one suffers in silence.
Yes, opo. Ano sa tingin mo ang the best na platform para mas talong ma-promote ang Ibalong Festival?
I think it's through storytelling because I believe that showcasing its beauty is not enough.
Yeah.
I believe that we should tell the story behind our culture, our traditions through social media and also through responsible tourism. And I believe that we should encourage our youth to appreciate our culture, our Ibalong festivals, and I would also like to use this platform to encourage all of you to preserve our culture because our culture is very important because it is the foundation and soul of our identity, and it is the bridge between the past and the future. And I believe that when we preserve it, when we preserve our culture, we can create a brighter future.
Thank you, candidate number 19. Wow, good luck, ha? All right, we have number 20. Last but not the least. Yes, hi. Hello, good morning. Cute ang baro. Sorry. Nag-comment niya kaagad to. Hi, good morning po.
Good morning po, Sir
Good
Henry.
morning. What is your name?
So, just marhainal daw po sa Indogabos. Ako po si Crystal Candice Regine Pagdagdagan, representing the municipality of Ginobatan, Albay. So, at a young age, I started working as the president of Ginobatan Children's Organization, which is the very reason why I am here because children are very close to my heart.
Yeah.
And actually, I pioneered a charity called Arandurugan para sa mga kaakian.
Oh.
And right now, joining Mutianang Ibalong as someone who is almost in adulthood, my advocacy is now preservation for culture and the arts through youth empowerment. And you know what, Sir Henry, I just like to share na
Yeah, go
actually
ahead,
right now kinikilig ako.
Bakit?
Because aside from being a public servant and a performer, it's actually a dream of mine to be a news reporter or
Really?
Yes.
Really?
I have always been passionate in working behind it on air or in TV broadcasting.
Gusto mo magbasa ng news ngayon?
Napasample tayo dun, sir.
Sige, mag-uusap tayo, ha? Mag-uusap tayo.
Wow.
Mag-uusap tayo.
I'm very open to opportunity.
Mag-uusap tayo. Saan ka nag-graduate?
Well, I'm currently studying at the Bicol University, taking up the Bachelor of Arts in English Language.
English, I like that. Diba? Mahina ako sa English, dapat talaga magaling ang kausap ko Sa English. Yeah. Pero you are fan of media works, tama?
Yes
Sabi mo?
po.
Can you
I was a
really
former
speak
news-
Bicol? Can you speak Bicol?
I am a former anchor po. Yes,
yeah.
po, sure.
I know. Nakita kita Nakita kita. Nakita kita. Sige.
I can actually read news po.
Really?
Kahit Bicol pa yan because I always believed as a language major,
Yeah.
I always believe in language inclusivity.
Of course.
That is why even if I speak English right now, I would want the people, especially the listeners, to understand that language inclusivity is very important.
Very good. Alright, sige. Mag-uusap tayo, ha? Mag-uusap tayo. Kunin mong contact nito, Karen. Okay, sige. Ikaw ang panghuli, your message to the at our listeners?
All right. Since I'm the last candidate, I always believe that it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
So right now, to all our listeners and to all people watching right now, iniimbitaran mi po ang Gabos na maghiling later on sa The Oriental Hotel dahil magaganap na po ang aming preliminary competition. And on behalf of the organizing committee of the Mutyanang Ibalong 2026, we would also like to invite you to watch the Grand Coronation Night of Mutyanang Ibalong 2026 na magaganap po on August 21 at Ibalong Centrum for Recreation.
Yes.
Of course, headed by Honorable Sunshine Imperial, ang pinaka-napakaganda at sipag na counselor here in Legazpi.
Nailing mo itong lalaking ito to sa newsroom, si Sir Nino Luces. Professor yan sa Bicol University sa College of Arts and Letters. Kay Bako yan sa Arts and Letters.
Wow.
Diba? Kaya, Indo, karang bakit napunta yan dito ngayon? Okay, thank you, candidate number 20. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Magkikita tayo.
Before anything else,
Yeah,
sir,
sure.
can I say hi to my family?
Sure. Go ahead, please. You
I like to
have
say-
30 minutes to do.
Wow, 30 minutes! Grabe naman
Yeah,
yan, sir.
no, it's
So,
okay.
hello. I would like to say hi to my family, friends, supporters, and especially the people of Ginobatan. Mahal ko kayo.
Yes, Longganisa Festival. Nagdagan ka
Yes.
naman sa festival nila.
Actually, I am the reigning Mutya ng Ginobatan po.
May dara ka ngunyan ako lamang dyan. Longganisa.
Wala po, sir. Kakatapos lang po ng Longganisa Festival.
Congratulations. You are
Thank
pala
you
the
so
reigning
much.
Miss
Ginobatan.
Ginubatan. Good
Thank
luck
you
po.
po.
Good luck. Thank you. Councilor Sunshine, mensahe po sa nagdanangog niya. Go ahead, please.
Mensahe po.
Gusto ko ng hubaon so.
Yung, garo ang mensahe ko po para sa imo na Sir Henry.
Gusto ng hubaon.
Gusto ko pong, pwede po ako naman ma-interview. Gusto ko pong maabot kung ano po ang sa imo, Sir Henry, na mamatian.
Pala mag-interview
ngunyan na pagkaaga. And, siguro, just a short comment. Ano po ang masasabi mo so naging simbag ninda? Duman sa apot mo, nailing ko, preparado ka, sir. Nailing ko, sir. Nailing ko, sir, na preparado ka, sir. Garo, may numero.
Wala akong tulak kabigin, sabi nga, matibayin mi na si Rimbag eh. Wala English ninda. I like it. Marami na matibayin mi na English yun. Yun kay puhan tayo.
Ano po, Sir Henry, ang masasabi mo tabi?
Pero may napili ako naman sa 1 to 20.
Ay, manapili ka po.
Mapara mo na kay Mrs. kung pwede kong i-announce. Sige po. Thank you, Kagawad Sunshine.
Thank you, Sir Henry, for the opportunity. As in, salamat po sa
Oto, baga dati
bilog mong
itong mutya ng kwan. Ito.
Digdi.
Dati itong mutya
Ngunyan
kan barangay
sa
ninda.
estasyon, and to Tita Brenda, and of course, Tito Glenn. Salamat po sa Indo. And maugma ako dahil maski paparupa, no? Nailing kang sa indong mga paraan tabay. Ang sa to yung mga kandidata, mas paparupa, natawan sila ng chance na mga pidan sila saro-saro.
Opo.
And again, I invite everyone for the Grand Coronation Night, which is on Friday. It's a holiday sa Ibalong Centrum for Recreation, dyan po sa ang Panglakang SM, 7 p.m. po.
Yeah.
And the tickets are for free. I will reiterate, Sir Henry, because I heard na there are people offering po na gusto mo ngayon makakuha. Wala pong arugkaan. Warang, there's no such a thing, Sir Henry. So the tickets are, I endorsed it already to the tourism office, apart from the ones that I already allocated to other agencies po. And then tonight po, Sir Henry, are preliminaries.
Opo.
There's a swimwear and a festive attire tonight at the Oriental Legazpi at 6 p.m. with a dinner buffet, and the tickets are for sale. But not bako po kami, it's Oriental Legazpi, just like I've said earlier. And sana po matawan po kamo ning pagkakataon kung bako man po mag-iling sa show on the live event po, or mas pwede po online. We have a live streaming
yan pong lalaking yan makover naman sa may Sibalong.
We have a live streaming po.
Naka-live yan.
I apologize po. We really cannot accommodate all. I heard igwa pong duwang bus, tulong bus, may jeep. Di ko na po. Kung kaya mi lang po i-accommodate, we will. So, sabi ko nga, for the safety of everyone, the tickets are for free. But alagad, this is numbered to ensure the safety of everyone and just maintain the capacity po kan sa tuyang venue.
Opo.
Again, salamat po and mabuhay po kamuga boss. As in, God bless you all and happy Ibalong Festival po. At sa kuya pong pasasalamat on behalf of the LGU Legazpi, Mayor Hisham, Vice Mayor Luis, and the 17th Sanggunian po. Salamat po sa indong pakisumaro sa Ibalong Festival 2026.
Yes. Thank you so much. Pio Fernandez po, susunod na pasensya ka na tabi, Pio. Nagutang kita kay Pio kay 30 minutes. May utang kita kay Pio 30 minutes. Sa iyang programa. Mga tugang ini po si Henry M. Ang lalaking hindi inaumaga. Tingog Kabanwaan, susunod na. Goodbye.
Ang mga baretang ini hatod sa Indo kan mga minasunod.
Optin Lutein Capsule. Alagaan ang paningin sa tulong ng Optin. Kitang